I know a lot of people that would love to have a bigger say in terms of what Elementor is doing, where they're going, and maybe what they've done in the last 10 years. Elementor have just introduced their partner program. I'm going to let you know right from the get-go, okay? If you scroll all the way down to participate or be part of this, you do have to have an Elementor One agency subscription. And it tells you about that down here. You need to have at least 10 websites connected as well. What you have to understand, because I did think about this, because I was a little bit like, why do you have to be part of it to participate? If we imagine there's over, I don't know, I might get this wrong now, say 15 million Elementor users, okay? If you imagine all of them, or even 10% of them, or a percent joined into this program, how big would this group become? And you can't please everyone. So if you've got an Elementor agency subscription, you can now be part of this program whereby you get to participate and inform and possibly decision make on what's happening next. Look, from the get-go, you get to have early insight into the Elementor roadmap. I have always gone on about the roadmap. When are we going to get the latest update? In fact, I made a big meal about it back in 2022, and I know I ruffled some feathers at the time, but that's because we didn't have one. 2023, January, we got our first roadmap. And then we have had updates, not always regularly, but we do get updates. But if you could have early insight, you might be able to be one of those people that can say, why are we working on that? That's not a priority. Yeah, I know it's on the GitHub and I know loads of people have upvoted it, but that doesn't mean that is a real priority. We need to be thinking about X, Y, Z. Especially with AI, especially with what another page builder's doing, especially with how our audience like to build. And why are we doing this tool? No one's going to care about that. If you wanted to have like a voice or an opinion, this is your opportunity. And it kind of covers that off here. Early access to news and demos. Look, whenever Elementor release a new product or a beta, I love to jump in and have a look and feedback. You may get it way before I even see it. Because often what happens is you have a beta or a tool, and then we whinge or complain about why did they do that, and what's this, and the button's not in the right place, and why is the top bar up there, and all of those things. And imagine if you're able to contribute and maybe stop some of the problems. I mean, you might not. I mean, at the end of the day, Elementor could do whatever they want, okay? But they might just listen to you. And I think this is a great opportunity. I have attended and been in lots of meetings with Elementor people. They are a lovely bunch. I'm not just saying that, okay? They are a warm, wonderful bunch, and they do listen, and they do care. All right, whatever a lot of you think out there, they do listen. So if you want to have a say, you want to elevate your brand, you want to have a voice, you want to get some recognition maybe as well, to say you're a partner, you know, there'll be a badge as well you can add, then why don't you get involved? Like I said, you are going to need the Elementor One agency subscription. And you might not like that. If you don't like it, move on. But if you do want to play a part, if you do want to have a part, play a part, be a part of Elementor, then the program could help you out. Apparently, it's really easy to join in. You just click the apply now. Make sure you meet the prerequisites and then take it from there. I'd love to see in the comments what you think about anything I've said. The fact that you do have to sign up, the fact that there is this opportunity. I mean, this is what I will say, okay? We have the Elementor forum, we have groups, we have people, places. Like I can chat with Verdi, I can chat with people, right? I have contacts as well. But there's only so much you can do. And just because like you're friends with Verdi or someone else doesn't mean Verdi has got control over A or someone else controls B and all these little things, okay? And I'm not going to start name dropping. There will be teams. And if you now have a road in, that's not a bad thing, I think. All right. I mean, I'm just putting across my opinion. I've not been sponsored or promoted to do these, by the way. And I've got another video coming out tomorrow about Manage. Just quick insights into it. What do I feel about it? I'm not being told to do these. This is just my initial off-the-cuff thoughts. In fact, the point I was going to make, let me get back to that. How many other page builders are there out there that give you that opportunity? And don't start jumping up and going, yeah, there's Facebook groups and there's this group and that group. Be honest. 2022, Me and a few others were vocal about how can we talk to Elementor more directly about what's working and what's not working? Because, maybe they're going off on a tangent or things aren't right. 2023 roadmap came out. There were more workshops, webinars, Ziv. There's so much going on, okay? And it's so good to see Ziv still doing things. And by the way, Ziv, you've lost weight and you're looking good. You're looking like you're training a bit more, Ziv. I like that. Sorry, tangent there. But Elementor are giving us a bit of a platform, okay? And I think this is your chance to get involved. I think I'm ranting now, aren't I? I think I'm just talking. I'm just ranting. I'm not even making sense. I'm running low on Pepsi Max. That's what's happening. I have got Pepsi Max withdrawal kicking in right now. So I need to go get a bottle. A big bottle. A cold bottle. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Take care. See you soon. Bye.